All right, pattern designers, this is easy. Okay, so now you come over here to the left and click on this choose file button right here and open up your file system. You then select the pattern you want to upload and voila, it's magic. Okay, now with your mouse click and rotate the model, super easy. Now you can just scroll in and out with the middle mouse button, find a view that you like, zoom in and out, upload as many patterns as you like, rapid prototyping. Okay, now let me show you how the user interface panel works over here. So let's start with the background. You can come over here and select the color. Yep, just like that. Find a color that you like, season to taste. And if you choose to, you can set the background to show your pattern piece at the back. The design panel is where you play with the scaling and the positioning of your pattern piece to closely match your vision for your project. As far as the lighting goes, I've set up a lighting scheme resembling interior or studio lighting setup. So you have a ambient light that mimics the bounce light or cast lighting. You have a direction light coming from a 45-degree upper left. The lights are completely decoupled from each other, so you can come around here to play with the intensity sliders. The exposure slider adjusts the overall exposure of the image. The idea here is between the background color and the lighting sliders, we have tons of options for you to edit the look of your pattern presentation. And last but not least, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, we have a full screen button that takes you to the presentation mode. Here it is, spectacular. This is so that you can show off how pretty your design is. And that is it. That is the pattern visualization tool. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions and feedback, just hit me up. Bye.